Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to do different page numbering in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. To begin with, let's add the usual numbering to this document. We can do this via the header and footer tab right here. For reference, the header and footer area is adjusted by the ruler on the left. Alternatively, we can add numbering in the standard way via the Insert tab. Click the page number button here, select where the page number will be located, at the top or at the bottom, and add the numbering. Great, the numbering has been added. Let's make it a little more noticeable. Now, to change the numbering format, double-click on the page number and activate the header and footer tab. Here we click the page number button and then format page numbers. In this window, select one of the ready-made numbering formats and click OK. And now the most interesting thing is to add a different numbering format to the same document. We need to divide it into sections. We'll do this with a break. For example, let's create a break on the 5th page. Place the cursor at the end of the 5th page, then click the Layout tab and select the Breaks button. We need a break from the next page, so we select Next Page and we split the document into two sections. And in each of these sections we can apply our own formatting, numbering, and so on. And to see the sections break, click the Show Hide button on the Home tab. Okay, now let's change the numbering format for any of the sections. Double-click on the page number in the second section, click on Page Number, Format Page Numbers, and select the numbering format that you want to see in the second part of your document. Additionally, in the Started field, we can specify which number to start numbering from. For example, 1 or 10, it's your choice. Click OK, and now there are two types of numbering in your document. It's all. Now you know a little more.